Hello, today is Friday. This is a video of me. I'm so happy today because I'm on a diet fasting, and I regular weighed in at 300 pounds, and now I'm regular, no, not regular. I weighed in this morning at 297, and my high blood reading has went down. So I'm gonna try and keep doing this. I'm on a fasting. So fasting means there is a time, depend on you. You can set up your own time to eat and not to eat, but the recommendation not to eat is at midnight or to have snacks. So I'm going to do it again. This is going to be my second day, and I'm just doing this for my file. I lost weight today, 3 pounds, 297, and I feel good. And I'm doing exercise also online. You can search online, or you can use the VR Oculus to pay an app to join the exercise and burn that calories away. And I'm 53 years old, or 54. I don't look like 54. Fuck, I look like 25. Yeah, I look 25%.